Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today I'm facing one of the issue. Here we have the issue like when I tried to install the Rust, it's showing me the error that could not amend the shell profile with this, could not the right RC file with this, okay? Permission denied. So how we are going to fix that issue? We are going to learn in this video. Let's have a look. So what we can do, first of all, let's add this command. Okay, so here the installer for the Rust up usage rust init I think doesn't give me the solution for this. Let's add this. Okay, and let's hit just press enter for the default. Now here you can see that it's downloading. Previously when try to enter, so it's giving me the error. Here you can see that when I do the enter it giving me this error. Now it's installing this. Here you can see. Okay, this is done. Rust is installed now. Great. Okay, this is usually done by running this command, so I need to run this command for the bash. So let's what it says, this is usually done by running one of the following command. Note that the leading dot. Okay, and there is one more thing that I need to run, that is npm run tori app dev. Let's see, there is a missing something. Let me just check what it is. There is one, that is this one. Yeah, this one I need to run. Copy, run this. Okay, now here you can see that the build is now creating. Hope so. Now here you can see that everything is now working fine. Hopefully our desktop application will work. Okay, so here you can see that the Tori app, here you can see Tori app is there, and this is our welcome to our Tori plus React. So entering and the greet, you have been greeting for the rest. Okay, so this how we can solve this issue. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.